friends, in this series I'm going to teach you the Kinemaster chroma key. So let's check this out. Okay folks, so I would assume that you already have the Kinemaster app in your mobile. So we will proceed to the uh, chroma key tutorial. Okay, so let's click this plus. Okay, 16:9 ratio. Okay, the first thing that you must do is at least you have already have recorded your green screen in your mobile. So in my case, I have already uh, recorded my green screen. So let's check it out first. So there, I have already recorded my um, green screen. Okay, so what you have to do first is you must download um, green screen background like of this one. Okay, you must at least downloaded this green screen, and then the next thing that you will do is you have to find your green screen recording. Okay, so you put it as your overlay, this one, then you go to media. Okay, then you check your recording in your perhaps your camera. Okay, so I have this raw recording, this one. Okay, so let's adjust the green background on top. Okay, to cover the whole recording. Okay, okay, so let's adjust a little bit. Okay, now let's click on the recorded green screen. You can either adjust this manually like this by dragging the corner, or you can click this square here like screen and click on the rectangle there. Okay, and check. Okay, and then let's go back to the picture and let's find the chroma key. Let's have it enabled. Okay, now we need to make some adjustment. This photo, this guy must turn all white, so let's do some adjusting. Okay, there, at least it should turn solid white so that the effects later on will be a sharp effect. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, as you can see, the color is quite uh green, green sharp color. Okay, so let me do some adjustment here on this picture. Okay, let's choose off. Okay, and then let's move a little bit. Okay, and then let's try to play. Okay, okay, so I think it's okay now. So what we have to do after everything is okay, we need to export the picture. Okay, so we click export, skip. Okay, in this case I'm going to cancel my exporting because I have already exported this. Okay, okay, so I cancel that. Okay, on this part you must also already save in your mobile the background that you prefer for your chroma key. Okay, so click new, then 16:9 ratio. Okay, so okay, here's my background, the Mount Fuji of Japan. So let's check. Okay, let's click on layer, media. Okay, my green screen. Okay, I'll adjust it full screen. Okay, and then now let's click on the green screen, check for the chroma key adjustment. So there. Now let's try to move. Okay, so there, as you can see, the background is at your back. The green screen is easily replaced by the background that you have prepared. So that's the purpose of the chroma key. So we can actually move the picture. Okay, I'll off it first. There, so I can do some adjustment there. Okay, so as you can see, there's a black border on top. So what I can do for that is I can do some cropping. Okay, so I'll crop that thing there. Okay, so next layer, I'll put the text and I'll type Japan. Okay, okay, so I'll place Japan here. I'll change the text to a little bit bigger there. Okay, so let's play. Okay, so perfect. So it's as simple as that. Now you can also add your audio. Okay, you can add your audio like anything that you preferred. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, so that's the drum set in Japan. So I'll put it here. Okay, there. Then let's have it check. Let's play. There you go. Once everything is okay, you can export it. Okay, there you go. It's quite fast. And let's check on our video that was exported. Okay, video. Okay, let's play. Okay, there you go. I hope you've learned something on this video, guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.